Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to be recording, I guess, snippets of me installing my Cuban twists. I was going for the invisible lock look, but when I looked at the process, I really did not have the patience to be doing all that. So we're gonna hope that these Cuban twists turn out right. Alright, so first things first, we are going to detangle and part my hair and put them in the rubber bands. I think that's probably going to be the hardest part. I'm not really going to focus too much on blow drying it because, I mean, we are using the springy, twisted up expression hair today. So it pretty much does not need to be like blown straight as it would for braids. So we're just going to comb it out and hope for the best. I'm gonna start off parting my hair into 4 sections, and yeah, we're just gonna basically take the divide and conquer method here because I tend to get a little discouraged if I don't. So. My 4 sections parted, and this is usually where I get a little frustrated because I hate parting the back of my hair, but we're gonna get the job done. I am thinking I want it to be like in a bob style, so yeah, it's gonna be in a bob. I believe my side is the right, so we're gonna do less here, more of that way. Pretty much gonna be the defining part for the whole side bob action. This part ain't clean like I want it. So, of course, our handy dandy shining jam is what I'm going to be using to define all of my parts. I just got a little bit on my other hand. I got to give me another ring light because this ain't going to work. Alright, and that part has to be crispy because it is going to show the most. I just messed up. Voila. So that is our defining part for what's going to be this little side bob. And now the rest we go. So I am done parting my hair and putting them all in rubber bands. So this is what we got. Hopefully you all can see. They're not too small, but they're not too big. So now I'm gonna start in the front to make sure I'm gonna like this style to begin with before we get all the way to the end and I hate it and I have to take it loose in like 2 days. So this is actually my first time ever using a hair that is not regular straight braiding hair. So hopefully this is a positive experience so I don't give up on trying to do hairstyle tutorials and I just stick to makeup. I got this thing twisted like they life depend on it. I'm about to cut it. Oh, there you go. All right, so this is what we are working with. Oh boy. Yeah. It's gonna work, right? It is gonna work. It's gonna work. Okay. Yeah, okay, I think I should stop here. So yeah, it has no choice but to work at this point. I think I'm going to section off. That look a little small. Y'all think I need some more hair? I think I do. So, gonna take like a little, wait a bit. Oh. Yes, I talk to myself like this on the regular. And I think that'll be enough. So let's see how this goes. Once again, I'm never used hair that's not regular braiding hair. So, without further ado, the moment of truth. That little twist. We are going to take the hair that I have separated, do a little, I guess you can call it like a loop. Yeah. And we are going to go Hold on, I'm finna mess them up. Up into my original twist. Hook it on there. Y'all, my finger stuck. We got it. Close that hook. Pull it on through. Now, I'm pretty sure this is where I just messed up because I let it go before I could find the strands. Yeah, that didn't work, y'all. Oh, hold up. Yeah, it did. Y'all was finna count me out, but it's okay, it worked. We definitely gotta do the back first, so this is what this hair is finna do, because I will quit and cut every rubber band out of my head. I'm gonna pull that rubber band a little bit tighter, because I can't do the loose roots, y'all. My hair be looking like Shaggy in about a week. So I'm going to wrap this around probably twice, maybe 4 times. And I'm gonna let that hair go back into the twist itself. Now, I am not a professional twister. Oh boy, this is gonna be something. Yeah, we just gonna start twisting before I change my mind. This is the part they don't show you on YouTube. Okay, it don't look horrible. It's just the first one though, so. So that one's gonna get done over because I can see my natural hair is going to, it's gonna fluff out of there. But I do want to just get a gist of the style, so. No, I'm gonna like this, y'all. That's only one. It's only one. We gotta do another one. Lock my hair yet. I ain't ready. I'm not at that phase in life where I don't still want to, you know, wear the curls for the girls. I haven't seen my hair straight since don't even remember, to be honest. All right, so now we are nearing the end of the hairstyle. I have went around, it's supposed to be like a short long bob, don't know what those are called, asymmetrical bob, whatever you want to call it. Excuse me now. But anyways, I think the top is what's gonna make or break it, so I gotta make sure I work it right. But so probably could have done the little barrel rolls at the end a little bit better, especially that one. That one just looks like it is very malnutrition. But I don't want it to be cloud my face too much, so now for the final stretch. Now that we are done, I can't find a lick of edge control, so shuffle, shuffle. I don't even know where the brush is. All right, so today is a new day and I have edge control, but today we have a new edge control. I've never used Murray's at all, so I bought this one and a little one just in case I didn't like it. And that's what I'm going to use to lay my edges down today. So I just took off the cheap edge control with the baby wipe the best that I could to kind of get the full effect, to make sure I am going to like this edge control. I was going to get the I guess you pronounce it Eben. That's the one that I had, but I didn't really feel like spending $8, so I chose to spend $4. Here we go. Everyone knows the key to good edges is your finger. If you don't use your finger, your edges are probably going to look like somebody laid them with a ruler. And I didn't leave that much out for the sideburns portion, but so far it gets a pass. You know, I haven't sweated in it, so I can't give it a full A, but you know, not bad, not bad. All right, so what's that? Oh, that's a bike pen. I forgot I had that pen. Whew. All right, this is the final style. I ended up changing a couple of them to be invisible locks. That was the style I initially wanted to do. Maybe another day when I feel like Superwoman, but today this is what y'all get. Overall, I give it an 8 out of 10. You know, the process was really simple, but I probably would definitely go with a hair that's easier to separate. Instead of Shine and Gem, I would probably use a lock pomade just so, you know, my hair lays down a little bit better, because my hair will fuzz really quick. Other than that, I think that would be it. So if you guys have any suggestions, please leave a comment below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys next week. Bye.